is the Brita Aluna water filter jar.
My name is SD. I have been using this for the past 6 years. The tap water that we have here are quite hard and it tastes like chlorine and some metals. After using this for a few months, I realized there is a slight improvement on my appliances like the water kettle, the coffee maker, and other appliances using water. To me, I find that the water tastes much better. I wish you could drink this so you could verify yourself. It is transparent so you could see everything. You can hand wash this or wash them in the dishwasher. After 6 years, it's still looking very good, right? So this is a cartridge, and when you take it out, you need to immerse this one in the water for at least 30 minutes before you can use it. This is how I do it. I put them in the jar, then I pour the water over and let this immerse for at least 30 minutes. When 30 minutes is up, after you have removed the water, replace the cartridge holder, then put the cartridge inside. Pour this over. You let the water drip, then you replace water and do this for 2 to 3 times before you could use it. This cartridge holds 100 to 150 liters of water. For me, I'm using 2 liters of water every day. Literally, I could use it up to 50 days. And how do you know when is the time to change it, right? Let's say, for example, if this is the date that you replace the filter on the 1st of March. So for me, 50 days, it will be in the middle of May. So what I do is I'll just put them in May, and the middle, that will be on the 15th or 16th. Every time when I go out, I will pour them into a water bottle and bring it out with me. This not only saves me money, and it also gives me a peace of mind. So I hope this review gives you the answer that you are looking for.